Hi, I'm Rafi from Manly Financial Services. For those clients who haven't yet met me or are new to the firm, I'm one of the partners of Manly Financial Services, and my role is to help our advisors deliver solutions to meet all their clients' financial goals and objectives, in addition to advising my own clients. This video is intended to be an update on how our advisors are helping their clients through this COVID-19 coronavirus issue in relation to its effect on the markets, and also in terms of how we're operating in this particular period. As you all know, the spread of COVID-19 from China is across the US, Europe, and now in Australia. You've got isolation on a global scale. And you've got a lot of fear and uncertainty in relation to the way we live, the way we work, the way we shop, and in relation obviously to the markets. Since the 1st of July 2019, the ASX 200, the top 200 stocks in terms of market cap, Australian stocks in terms of market caps down approximately 30%. The S&P 500 in the US is down about 25%. And almost every asset class has been affected, even the defensive asset classes such as gold, which you would think would be a safe haven. We're seeing some huge central bank and government stimulus being delivered across the globe, and to a large extent it hasn't really helped in terms of buoying the markets and giving them confidence to get back to close to levels that we were prior to this crisis occurring. Now, this isn't the first crash or correction that we've seen at Manly Financial Services. We've effectively been in business as financial planners, as a firm, for well over 20 years. And we've seen these market changes, corrections, crashes come. We've seen economic downturns come and go. From a portfolio perspective, all our advisors are focusing on ensuring that clients have sufficient cash. And that is critical, especially for clients that are drawing pensions, they might be retired, or have other financial commitments that need to be funded from their portfolios. Ensuring sufficient cash is important. It also allows us to be able to jump into markets when we feel and buy securities when we feel that prices are quite low. There's also a flight to quality, really looking at underlying securities or funds that hold securities that are really, if you like, recession proof. And you can see that at the moment with the main organisations or companies that are operating and operating quite successfully during this crisis. So we really want to be in companies or securities which provide us this level of protection, preferably staples. And definitely not speculative investments. Our advisors are looking at the managed funds that most of our clients hold and looking inside those particular managed funds to the top 10, 20, 30, 40 securities, and ensuring that the securities that the fund manager is holding and the approach that the fund manager is taking is in line with the goals and objectives of their client. Now, timing is key in this instance, and it has been in all these corrections and crashes that we've seen over the last 20-25 years. We do not want to be selling down in this market. We don't want to be selling to be meeting any financial commitments or pension payments. We also don't want to be selling at this point, particularly due to any panic. It's important to remember that investing is usually a medium to long term. If it's superannuation and retirement, it's usually definitely a long term time frame involved, and over the long term, and we saw this during the GFC, those ups and downs iron themselves out as long as the securities within a portfolio or the funds within a portfolio are of good quality and are continually meeting the client's volatility, and growth and income objectives. If you have any questions or queries on any of your asset allocation positioning at this point, please speak to your advisor. All our Manly Financial Services advisors are focusing on contacting clients, looking at portfolios, really just doing the work and monitoring how things pan out. We're collaborating, even though we're not all in the office, and communicating on an ongoing and active basis, and ensuring that our clients are positioned as best as they possibly can be during these turbulent times, and also looking at the next 6, 12, 18, 24 months. So on behalf of all our advisors at Manly Financial Services and all our support staff, I wish you the best health during this period, and please I urge you to contact your advisor if you've got any questions or queries. They're more than happy to talk through any of those issues.